Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can log out your Google account from your phone. So what you have to do is just simply go to your phone settings and search sync and open the first option, which is for me account and sync. It might be different for you, but it's generally the same thing. Then scroll down and find Google, then click on Google. Now choose the account that you want to log out of the device. For example, I want to choose this one. You will be inside the account. What you have to do now is just click on more, then click on remove account. Then it will prompt a new window asking you that are you sure, do you want to really remove the account, yes or not. What you have to do is just simply click on remove account, and that's it. The account has been removed. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.